So lock and load, move with precision and purpose.
You can die doing anything. You just got to pick what's worth it.
Hey, louder! 9, 10. Hey, coach, what's wrong about you doing this?
Hey, that's a different dress code. Different dress code.
J Mac from Syracuse, New York, man, came all the way out to see my Colorado Buffs.
What channel do you watch? They brought you out here.
The pregame show.
Never watched the college game till last season when Coach Prime came to Colorado. And I am in Colorado at Folsom Field. I am the Colorado Buffaloes auntie from Texas. Sweet treat.
Hey, I've been following the pregame show. It's all about let's go Buffs.
Way from Texas. Yes, sir. Watch you every single day. Nobody lays it down like Uncle Neely and the pregame show.
Neely, pregame show behind the scenes of everything. And why does he get that kind of access? Why does he get that kind of access? Because trust is involved. You would never get the kind of access you desire unless there's trust and relationship. You trying to put your up on game.
Hey, right over left, right over left. No, coach. No more space. Over to the right. Space full. Caesar, go home. Coach, what are you doing? Space full. Hey, what you doing, bro? What's wrong? Free. Yeah. Your sauce.
I told you,
seats.
Bro, y'all know I don't wear tights for real.
It's up lunch to the right, bro.
Hey, refer to the mannequin.
Real tough.
Refer to the mannequin.
Hey, look at
Mannequin is never wrong.
See what you doing, bro? Hey, coach, what's wrong about you doing this?
Hey, that's a different dress code. Different dress code.
Next week we practicing, so let's lock in, man. Be where you at now. Let's lock in and have a good team and do what we got to do. Everybody do. Yes, sir. Hey, come on.
Hey, hard work on 3. 1, 2, 3. Hard work. Hey, let's go. Hey, straight ahead. Hey,
There's a quote I'd like to start off with. It's from Tom Brady. If you don't believe in yourself, why should anybody else believe in you? You're about to go through something called a monster mash. It's not a workout. It's a test. It's a test in the SEAL teams that we use to build a team. I've been in the SEAL team for 19 years. On SEAL Team 5, the best SEAL team on the West Coast. I had the privilege of fighting for my country on 6 different continents in combat missions in defense of our nation. Now, on every combat mission, there was something that guaranteed success and prevented failure. Do y'all know what that
4, 5, 1.
Louder, let's go.
2, 3.
You guys
1,
complete that lap,
2.
the faster your boys can get
Hurry
this
up.
done. Let's go.
4.
Let's motivate them.
2, 3, 4.
Right. Count for up, down. So the count is 1. So up, down, 1. Up, down, 2. Up, down, 3. Team leader, whenever you're ready, send it.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Up, down. 1. Up, down. 2. Up, down. 3. Up, down. 4. Up, down. Hey, louder. 9. Yeah. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14.
Hey, one guy's gonna be down in the plank. The other guy spinning the ropes like that. When I call switch, I'm back up, he's down. I move my hands real fast. When I say push-ups at any time or burpees at any time, I want the whole crew staying together, right?
No, let's do it.
Push-up plank.
Fam. We're doing plank. One dude's gonna go like this. You're gonna be planking. Once he says switch, you're gonna get up, go like that. He gonna plank. If he says we got burpees, we're gonna do burpees together. We got push-ups, we're gonna do push-ups together. If we do it together, we're probably not gonna do that.
All right,
I don't got 20 in me.
ready, go. Fast hands. Switch. Hey, get your rope back. Get your rope back. Let's go.
Come on! Get easy, man. Cut that off.
Let's go. Let's finish.
You guys shouldn't be holding your knees, right?
See what I'm saying? 16.
Hey, just so you know, he's an old man, over 50.
17.
I'm retired, fellas.
He's retired.
Y'all over there, go.
Hey,
go,
jog.
So we're gonna be at the 90. Are you gonna just explode up, back down? All right, so that's 1. All right, second exercise we're gonna do. It's called a star jumper. That's you guys gonna be here in the center. You're gonna explode up, out, and back in.
Up. 2. Up. 3. Louder. 4. Up. 5. Up. 6.
And come back. All right, so I'm gonna count the up.
You love it, baby.
Up.
Hey.
Up. Chopper. Down. Count when we come up. Down. Down.
We'll wait till your hands and legs.
Nah, tie your hands and legs together. Nah.
When you play football, you can die playing football.
No.
You can die doing anything. You just got to pick what's worth it.
All y'all gotta do, listen to what I say, follow the rep count, and y'all big as hell, so y'all better be loud at the top, huh?
All right,
Y'all be loud, y'all be motivated, y'all get to it. We only doing 10, huh?
everybody take a deep breath.
Where coach at?
Up, all right. When we get back up, 1, 2, so on.
Let's go, let's get
Let's
to
go.
it.
Get it tough.
Down.
1.
Down.
2.
Down.
6.
Get up.
Come on, Chauncey. Let's go. We need y'all. Come on. There we go. One more, boys. Come on, man. Count. One more. Now we just busting our feet. We should be talking.
That's it, y'all. Get the love down. That's it.
Down.
I'll take it.
Y'all get some water.
Up. Hold it. Engage your core. Straighten your backs. Down. All the way down. Superman. Here we go. 1.
great job, gentlemen. Great job. Great job. How we feel? Great. How we feel? Great. Anybody quit? No. We got leaders? Yeah. We got dogs? Yeah. And now we got trust. We got leaders, we got dogs, and now we got trust. Last time we was here, right, there was more focus on the individual. This time was about leading from the front and about trust, teamwork, discipline, right? And that's what you guys did today. So I'm not gonna talk to you, right, too much more. We have Captain right here, Gervy, that's here to speak to you, all right?
I want to talk to him too.
All right, and we got to talk to you, let's go.
Boys, it's a great day. Your coach is exactly right. You get that trust right now is when that shared suffering, right? You guys all locked in, you put out. I love it. I love to see it. You guys are fired up, you fire me up. I was trying to do it with you. You guys are smoking me though, right?
Yeah.
All right. Right here we got Captain Gervy. He's the captain of the Navy football team back in the day. Come on up. Come on, Cap. Hey, first off, do I get permission to stand on route? Yeah. Hey, I loved it. This was awesome. Seeing you guys sweat, seeing Barnes throwing up, seeing you guys laying it all on the line. Man, I love every single moment of it. Man, it brought me back to that, and I would trade spots with you guys in a heartbeat. Let me tell you, I've been in the Navy for 28 plus years. I played ball, I've done it all. And I can tell you, the game plan for winning is the same. Whether you're on the football field, whether you're in a SEAL platoon, whether you're on some remote mountaintop, whether you're on a ship, a sub, an airplane, it's all the same. It's about the fundamentals. Can you block? Can you tackle? Can you shoot a rifle? Can you steer a ship? Are you great at the basics? Number two, you gotta work your ass off. You gotta lay it all on the line. I guarantee you there's not a lot of teams out there waking up at 4:30 in the morning and getting after it with Navy SEALs. That's freaking hard work. And number three, when the lights are bright, you gotta be at your very best. It don't matter how you practice, you could be All-American practice player, but when the lights are bright and you got national television on you, are you there to make the play? If you're a SEAL team member and you got your scope on that dude, can you make the shot? It's about execution. And I guarantee from what I saw today, man, I saw fundamentals, I saw hard work, and I saw dudes that get after it when the lights are bright. I loved every single moment of it. I'm freaking pumped and I'm jazzed. Let's bring it up.
Yes, sir, Skate.
Here we go. Believe on three. 1, 2, 3. Believe.
So where y'all from?
We up from Miami, Florida.
All the way from Miami.
All the way from Miami.
Appreciate y'all coming, man.
Hey, man, we love what you guys are doing, man. We want to support you in every way.
Appreciate your family.
And we're recruiting at home. Everything we see at home, we bring it this way.
My man.
You gotta believe. Dude, we've been believing since day one,
That's
dog.
why I gave it to
Remember
you.
back in Jackson State? We've been believing with you in the pregame show.